In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check if a website has Google Analytics 4 installed. By the end, you'll know exactly how to confirm whether GA4 is running on any page you visit, using a quick and reliable Chrome extension. First, we'll use Google Tag Assistant, a browser extension that scans a page and shows which Google tags are present. Open your Chrome browser and go to the Chrome Web Store page for Google Tag Assistant. On that page, click Install Extension. When the Chrome prompt appears, click Add to Chrome and then confirm by clicking Add Extension. In a moment, the extension will be installed. After installation, look at the top right of your browser. You'll either see the Tag Assistant icon directly on the toolbar or inside the Extensions menu, which is the small puzzle-shaped icon. If it's tucked away, you can pin it so it's always visible by clicking the puzzle icon and selecting the pin next to Tag Assistant. This makes it easier to access whenever you're checking a site. Now navigate to the website you want to check. Once the page is fully loaded, click the Tag Assistant icon. The extension will scan the current page and display a list of detected tags. You're looking for an entry that clearly references Google Analytics 4. In many cases, it will show as Google Analytics 4 or display a measurement ID that begins with G, which is the GA4 format. If you see that, GA4 is installed on that page. You may also notice other tags, like Google Tag Manager or older Universal Analytics entries that start with UA. That's normal. The extension reports any detected Google tags. If GA4 appears, that confirms it's present, whether it's installed directly on the site or deployed through a tag manager. If the panel doesn't show anything right away, give it a moment after the page finishes loading. Some sites delay their analytics scripts to improve performance, and Tag Assistant will list them as soon as they fire. Also remember that detection is page-specific. If GA4 isn't listed on one page, it may still be installed on another part of the site, so check a couple of representative pages if you're evaluating an entire domain. That's all there is to it. Install Google Tag Assistant, open your target website, click the extension, and look for Google Analytics 4 or a GAA. G measurement ID in the results. This quick check gives you a clear answer in just a few seconds. Thanks for watching and happy auditing.